Hey guys, Tony here from TonyTechBytes, and this is the Pixel 5 that Google sent over to me, as well as the Pixel Buds and a fabric case for the Pixel 5. I do use AirPods, but I'm always excited to try out new products, and I actually used a fabric case, the official Google one, for the Pixel 2. So with the Pixel 5, I'm happy to see this included. It's also kind of weird how Google includes a case, but not OnePlus, despite being a US brand ambassador for them. Anyways, that's off topic. Let's get over to the unboxing. Oh, I forgot. We need scissors too, safety scissors. And by the way, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to support my content. Alright, now that we are overhead, let's get to the unboxing. I guess we can do the case first. Save the best for last. There should be a sticker up here. Okay, I got it open. Let's pull out the tab and take out the case. That looks pretty good. See the case here, the design. The inside is like a really soft microfiber lining. Feels just the same as my original fabric case with the Pixel 2 that I've used. And you can see some washing directions. And that's pretty much it. It's just the case that's in there. So, let me put this to the side. Let's open up the Pixel Buds. Let's open this up. I don't want to scratch up the box. Just gotta use my scissors, cut the plastic over there. Oh wait, I should bring this to the mic. Okay, done with that ASMR. Let's open this up, see what it looks like. Ooh, wow. Ooh, let me peel the plastic too, right in front of the mic. Actually, I should just put the mic in the frame, so... Let's open this up. Whoa. They're heavier than I expected. It feels pretty nice. The case is really well built. This just snaps on very well. Let me check what's under there. Ooh, extra tips, that is great to see. And underneath this, USB-C to USB Type A cable to charge it, I believe. And the manual, which I will check out later. So let me put all this to the side. Let's get over to the Pixel 5, that's the main event. I need to move the mic back. Now that we are back over here, Pixel 5, the main event. Got some pull tabs over here, let's pull them out. Ooh, that is satisfying. Love the packaging on Pixel devices. Let's open it up. And we have the Pixel 5. Feels interesting in the hand. It's like, I don't know what material they're using this time. I forgot to do my research, and I wasn't looking too much into rumors, because rumors are just rumors, and I don't really believe them all the time. So I have to do more research on what the material is. It's a unique feel, I can't really describe it. It's smooth, but it's not metallic. Let's check out the rest of the contents. So we got the manuals in here, as well as a SIM card ejection tool. Got the USB-C power adapter, as well as a USB-C cable and a USB-C to USB Type A adapter to transfer data over from your previous phone. And I'll set up everything later. I just want to kind of peel out the plastic and see what the inside of this box looks like. Sorta sage, that's what they call this color. Okay, it's a pretty nice color. Looks like a light green, like a mint green-ish. So let me put the mic over here, and then we could hear the peel again. So here's the Pixel 5. I'm going to turn it on and just play around with it, and then I'm going to have my review out probably in a week or two, I'm hoping. Maybe even later if I want to try it out and test it more extensively. So yeah, here's the Pixel 5, the Pixel Buds, as well as the Pixel 5 case. Speaking of the case, let's just put it inside, and I want to see how it feels. Ooh, fits in pretty snug, and you get the USB-C port at the bottom, speakers, fingerprint sensor, power button on the side, as well as volume rocker. And yeah, this feels really nice in my hand. It's not too heavy, or my index finger pretty much sits at the fingerprint sensor very well. I love that with the Pixel 2 and as well as with other Pixel devices. So got the Pixel 5, the case, and the Pixel Buds. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this unboxing video.